The GM extended parking feature is designed to save battery life during long periods of inactivity, but it can sometimes cause issues. Here's how to disable it quickly. For most models, simply press the brake pedal firmly if you have an automatic transmission, or shift to neutral if you have a manual transmission. Alternatively, turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine to exit the mode. In newer EVs, use the infotainment touchscreen. Navigate to Vehicle, then Settings, then Power or Battery, and toggle extended parking off. Some models also allow remote deactivation via the GM mobile app. Remember, deactivation steps can vary, so consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. If issues persist, consider a dealer visit. The extended parking feature activates after 20 to 30 minutes of inactivity, disabling accessories to reduce battery drain. If you experience no start issues, this could be related to the extended parking feature. Ensure your vehicle has the latest software updates from GM. These updates improve battery management and reactivation thresholds. If problems continue, especially in EVs, check the 12-volt auxiliary battery's health. For long-term parking, consider using a trickle charger or starting the vehicle periodically to maintain battery levels. Experts recommend checking GM's website or app for the most up-to-date information and troubleshooting tips as features and deactivation methods evolve. While generally reliable, understanding how to disable and manage this feature ensures optimal vehicle performance.